Hi everyone, it's Tammy, and I am sitting here in my knitting corner of the couch, and I thought I would just do a quick video holding my phone just to ask you guys what you want in my channel for next year. I have some ideas that I'd like to do, but I kind of want you guys to tell me what you want, what you really, really want, so I can help provide that information, because I know I started out as a channel that was doing planners, and then I started doing more and more cards, and now I'm clearly doing a lot more knitting. So you can kind of see where my craft is as to what I'm doing. Hi, Fuzz. Uh, and if you want to see more of the Fuzz or Jambo, let me know that too. No, I'm teasing. They are often the stars. But I love doing my planner, but I have been failing at getting that up. Today is Sunday, December 2nd that I am filming this. I just filmed my number 10 video podcast of my knitting. So I'm like, gosh, I know that that's kind of my focus right now is knitting, because I'm just loving it. It's a newer hobby to me, and I am loving it. It doesn't mean that I like the others any less. It just means that I'm spending less time on them. I've also done a lot of food videos, and you guys seem to love those too. So tell me what you guys like, and because I know that I have a lot more new subscribers too. So thank you so much for subscribing. I love you, all of you. It's so sweet to read your comments and to check you guys out. But I also know that I need to give you guys some of what you'd like to see. And I'm going to keep it real. I'm not going to do something because you guys want to see it if it's not something that I do or something that I feel comfortable doing. So, I mean, if you guys say, I want all cards all the time, I'm not going to do that because I am not into that right now, although I enjoy them. What I'm kind of thinking, and you guys please comment and let me know what you guys think, or what you guys would like to see more of. I want to continue to do my weekly planner, and I want to do that on a regular schedule like I usually do, but I've been bad, but I'd like to continue that. And then I would also like to do my haul videos, and I will do knitting haul videos, yarn, whatever, fun stuff, planner haul videos, Michael's haul videos, whatever haul videos I can do. I'd like to still do those. I would still like to do my Foodie Fridays. Again, I don't do as many as I did. I don't cook as much as I used to. It's just my husband and I, so often we will have recipes that you guys have already seen, or we will have something that doesn't even require a recipe, just throwing something together. So I will still do those, but I think it's going to be maybe, I'm not, right now I'm thinking to myself doing it once a month, maybe a Foodie Friday once a month. That might be a good goal. I don't know. I don't want to put anything, I don't want to make too many like restrictive goals, because then I kill myself when I don't do it. It makes me crazy. So I don't like to do that to myself. It plays with my psyche. So I don't want to do that, but I'm kind of thinking of doing, I'm still want to do some Foodie Fridays, but like I said, it's going to be a little less. And same with card making. I'm thinking of, instead of like a weekly tutorial, I might do a monthly one sheet wonder, and maybe a crafting tutorial, in there as well. I just don't know how often or any of that yet. So I don't know that I'm going to have daily videos like I have been, just because that's hard to keep up with, and it's hard to edit and post and upload and do all the stuff. And I have been kind of slowing down on the everyday, although I will say I have a lot scheduled. So, I mean, I'm not going to say that you won't still see a lot of videos from me. And when I do haul videos, I like to highlight each store individually. So I like to do those in individual videos. Even if I film several in one day, I'd rather that and highlight the specific shop rather than do a longer haul video of everything. I don't know. And that's what I like. But if you guys have a different opinion, let me know that too, because that one I'm not like stuck on that one where I feel like, oh, I have to do it this way. And I'm up for other ideas too, but I do like sharing my knitting podcast. I like to do that. I'm going to try to do that. I'm thinking weekly, just to kind of keep everyone updated on what I'm working on, just because that's too hard to do more often, and it's a lot of work in that. I mean, I have to have finished objects, or I don't have to, but I want to have finished objects and works in progress and things like that, at least works in progress on each podcast. And then I see myself knitting for the rest of my life, but who knows? I change. But I have enough yarn to last me. I've said I cannot die until I've used all my yarn. So I think I'm going to live forever because I have so much. And I did some Black Friday shopping. You guys, it was a little off the hook, but whatever. I'm excited. It makes me happy. And sometimes you just have to make yourself happy. So, that being said, I know that there are other videos out there, and I know that, I don't want to be the crazy person who does 18,000 different kinds of videos, but at the same time, this is my life, and that's kind of what I'm sharing. So let me know what you guys think, and I just wanted to post a really quick video. I'm going to call this one Vlogmas Day 2, and tell me what you want, because this is December 2nd, and I thought I might do Vlogmas, and I don't know exactly how to work it. So yeah, this is going to be Vlogmas Day 2. And I also want to share with you guys my word for next year, but I think I'll do that in like another video just to kind of keep it up. So, all right. I'll talk to you guys soon. Thanks so much.